Okay. So Jesus, we ask that you would be the center of our gatherings. God, that you would come close, that we would surrender control of our lives to you.